Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will continue to learn about another part of the house. We will learn Filipino words to talk about the bathroom. So a bathroom is banyo in Filipino. A toilet is kubeta. You might also hear Filipinos refer to it as CR, which is short for comfort room. But we most commonly use the word banyo to refer to both bathroom and toilet. Now, what objects are in the bathroom? Anong mga bagay ang nasa banyo? What? Anong? Objects? Mga bagay? In the? Nasa? Bathroom. Banyo. Let us begin to learn words related to the bathroom by looking at the most common fixtures in any room in a house. A bathroom will have ceiling, kisame, floor, sahig, wall, dingding, window, bintana, and a door is pinto. So here is the first object. A bathroom can have a toilet bowl. In Filipino, we call it inidoro. Inidoro. A bathroom can also have a cabinet or vanity. In Filipino, we simply call it cabinet. There can also be a mirror or salamin. A bathroom will also have a shower or paliguan. Paliguan. Next, we will learn about objects on the vanity or cabinet. On the cabinet, we will see a tap or faucet. In Filipino, gripo. And there will be a sink or in Filipino, lababo. There can be more objects on that cabinet. Let us learn the Filipino words for them one by one. Toothbrush, sipilyo. Toothpaste is simply toothpaste, and because the Filipinos have been so used to buying the brand Colgate, we most commonly refer to toothpaste as Colgate. And a glass is baso. Here are some more objects. Soap, sabon. Comb, suklay. These are the most common objects that can be seen on a bathroom cabinet. There are some more objects that can be seen in a bathroom. In a bathroom, we can also see a towel or tuwalya. Tissue or toilet paper is simply tissue. That is a basic bathroom or banyo. Here are some words for activities in the bathroom or mga gawain sa banyo. Activities, mga gawain. In the, sa. Bathroom, banyo. Shower or bathe is maligo. Wash as in wash your hands, maghugas. Wash face, maghilamos. Comb hair, magsuklay. Brush teeth, magsipilyo. Look in the mirror, magsalamin. Let us look at some conversations related to the bathroom or banyo. You get ready for sleeping, says the mom to her child. Maghanda ka para sa pagtulog. You, ka. Get ready, maghanda. For, para sa. Sleeping, pagtulog. You brush your teeth. Magsipilyo ka ng ngipin mo. Brush, magsipilyo. Your, mo. Teeth, ngipin. And the word ng is there because ngipin is the object of the action magsipilyo. We use ng before the object of an action. I will shower too. Maliligo din po ako. I, ako. Will shower, maliligo. To, din. So you can see several verbs here. And if you would like to learn more about verbs and the tenses, I will put a link to these lessons in the description below. Let us look at another conversation. Where is Anna? Nasaan si Anna? Where? Nasaan? Si Anna. Whenever we say a person's name or a proper noun, we put si in front of it. So we say si Anna. In the bathroom. Nasa banyo. In the, nasa. Bathroom, banyo. She is showering. Naliligo siya. She, siya. Showering, naliligo. You see one pronoun here which is she. In Filipino, siya. If you want to learn more about pronouns, I will put the link to the lessons in the description below. Here is one last conversation. Anna is done showering. I am done, Mom. Tapos na po ako, nanay. I am, ako. Done, tapos na. Mom, nanay. Not yet. Hindi pa. Not, hindi. Yet, pa. You comb your hair. Magsuklay ka ng buhok mo. You, ka. Comb, magsuklay. Your, mo. And hair, buhok. Here are some more words for activities in the bathroom or mga gawain sa banyo. You can use these words for your practice. So in the bathroom, we can shave, mag-ahit. Apply lotion, mag-lotion. Apply makeup, mag-makeup. To say, use the bathroom, magbanyo. To pee, umihi. To poo, tumae. That is our lesson today, and I hope you found it useful. For your homework, label objects in your bathroom with their Filipino names. You can use post-it notes or washable markers. Say the name of the objects in Filipino as you see them or reach for them in your bathroom. Have fun! I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!